have big dreams but no energy to make them happen. You think I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Why does it happen? It's not because you're lazy forever. It's because the task feels too big. I was there too, but don't worry. I'm going to share 3 very simple steps and a secret where you can make 1 lakh monthly easily in the year 2026. So first, let's understand this. Your mind is reprogrammed to do easier things. So when something feels too hard for your brain says, let's do something easier to avoid time and create an illusion that you're being productive. But the truth is, you're not. But the good thing is, you can fix this. This laziness isn't who you are. It's just a habit, and habits can be changed. And I know you have been facing this. You want to get healthier, but the idea of running every day and following the diet seems a bit exhausting. It's not that you don't care. It's just that your brain is wired to avoid pain and seek comfort. But you can outsmart your brain here. There are 3 simple steps for you to stop being lazy. Start doing what matters. Step 1. Start small. Big tasks feel scary, so make them small. For example, if you want to make notes, don't think about writing 200 pages. Just write 3 pages today. Small steps are easier and also make you feel good. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't directly jump to the top. You take one step and then the other. Do the same with your goal. Small things adds up. Another example, if you want to learn a new skill, that you don't try to master it in a single day and get pro. And the next day, you start with the basic, correct? Just like how I started. Also, let me tell you a secret. I made 38,000 rupees today, and last 7 days I made 1,54,000. It's because of my digital marketing business, which I started few time back. And the best part is I can do it from anywhere. No boss, no target, just using my smartphone and internet connection. And also no restriction. Anyone above 15 years of age can do it. Homemakers, students, job professional. And if you also want to understand about my work, number is in my description. You can just message me on WhatsApp and I will personally guide you. I was lost too, but after doing lot of research, I found about this and I started. And you can too. Now let's move on to step 2. Start creating very easy linked routines. Don't rely just on willpower. Set up routines, willpower runs out. But routine makes things automatic. For example, if you want to exercise, put your shoes and your gym clothes in your gym bag. Keep it aside your bed. That way, when you get up, it's easy to get started. Think of routines like training wheels. They make things easier until you can do them naturally. What is the one small routine which you can start today? Maybe it's just writing a to-do list every morning or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. And just start eating one time of your meal which is healthy. These small habits create structure and help you build your momentum. Step 3. Use the 3-minute rule. The hardest part is starting, so promise yourself you will work on something for just 3 minutes. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting after you have done your 3 minutes. Celebrate in a small way. Maybe it's just eating a cookie or taking a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and also motivates you to keep going. And here's the truth. Everybody starts small. And the people you admire, they have also struggled. They kept going. So you also don't have to be perfect. Just think of your goals like a fire. For example, if I do this, I will have this. And if I don't do this, I won't get this. This thing alone will make you move faster. Remember, it's okay to fail. Everybody fails. What matters is that you get back up. And try again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of the journey. And with each time, you will learn something. So it's a simple rule. Just keep moving forward. I used to do a job for peanuts amount of salary, working long hours. I learned this skill and now I make twice in a single day of what I used to make in a month. And I'm really grateful for this because I didn't wasted my time and I started it. And because of that momentum, here I am. So let's take a reminder. If you're ambitious but lazy, here's what to do. First, make tasks small and easy. Second, create routines to help you. Third, start with just 3 minutes of efforts. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Pick one thing and take a small steps towards your dreams. They are waiting for you. Small efforts done regularly can create massive changes, but you cannot stay consistent without taking action. And if you don't know what to do and what skills to add on and want direction and platform, so that even you can create such amount like me, then simply just message me on WhatsApp. Number given in the description and I will personally help you to build this. Also subscribe my channel because I am going to make your life easy. See you on WhatsApp.